TikTok has opened up a world of opportunities for creators to go viral and get their products seen by millions. It's free to use and there is no limit to how much you can post, making it the perfect tool to promote your KDP books. Some authors are making thousands promoting their books through TikTok. They use some viral strategies that can easily be copied, and I'll walk you through these strategies in this video. Many people still think that TikTok is just an app for silly dances, but smart creators use it to get free traffic, build huge audiences, and sell their products. Before we get started, I recommend that you sign up for a TikTok account. It's straightforward to do. Once you are signed up, don't start posting videos right away. Warm up your account by viewing and searching for content you would like to see using the TikTok search bar. Like, comment, favorite, and follow accounts that share content you enjoy. Only interact with content related to your interests. This way you can train the algorithm to show content you are interested in. Also, not posting right away and interacting with content for at least 2 days will show TikTok that you are a real account and not a bot, so you won't get 0 views when you start uploading. If you need further guidance, you can watch my recent video where I tried to sell one of my KDP books using TikTok in 14 days. Once you have followed these steps, your account is ready to start posting videos. But don't just throw anything up on TikTok. Follow these viral strategies used by these viral creators. First brand we'll take a look at is called Shop. I'm proud of you. It has gained over 50,000 followers and 2 million likes, and the content is themed about empowering your mental health journey. One of their most popular video has gained 6.7 million views. It shows the author opening up a copy of their book with the words, "The journal that saved my mental health." The video then shows the content of the book, including questions that guide people on a mental health journey. Many people related to this, and you can see how many likes, comments, favorites, and shares that it's got. The hook, "The journal that saved my life," is simple yet powerful because it immediately tells viewers the value of the book. Another video they posted has over 100,000 views, and it's just 8 seconds long. It asks a question that gets most people thinking with the author's answer underneath. This creator evokes emotion and makes viewers feel something by relating it to an experience they may have faced. In another video with over 200,000 views, the author answers a question from the book in an 8-second clip with the statement "vent to me," and shares her frustration, inviting viewers to vent in the comments too. This allows people to share their frustrations and feel connected. So for those who are creating journal type books, it's much better to show how the journal makes the viewers feel and share common experiences to emphasize emotional connection. So show images of your book, share your struggles and parts of your own personal journey. Now, brand number 2 we'll take a look at is called Chew the Fat, and they have over 146,000 followers with 2.5 million likes, and their content is themed on general quizzes, as quizzes are insanely popular on TikTok because people love to think that they know everything. Their first video here has gained nearly 15 million views, and it's just a simple slideshow with a quiz question followed by the answer, and then the rest of the slides follow this format. One tactic I've actually noticed is some creators purposely spelling answers wrong, as it drives people crazy and forces people to comment on these answers and debate with others, and this all works to increase engagement. So for anyone creating a quiz type book, I recommend niching down into a specific area to create something unique rather than just standard general knowledge questions. You might want to focus on American history or couple quiz questions, for example. Then make sure you include a slide of your ultimate quiz book at the end as an add-on for those that want to test their knowledge even more, and add a link to your Amazon book in the bio. The third brand that we'll take a look at is Stipple.io, and they have over 70,000 followers and have gained 1 million likes, and their content theme is based on travel, as travel content is very popular on TikTok as it gives inspiration for places to visit. it. Stipple create fun travel videos, and some of their videos have gained millions of views, and they also have an app for travel content. So one of their videos have gained nearly 4 million views and shows how to spend 7 days in Tuscany using stock images, videos, and simple editing skills. It prompted comments from people who have actually been to visit that area and those who would love to visit, with people debating on the best areas to actually visit within the area, which drives engagement. Then at the end of the video, you can add something like a short clip of your book as the best travel guide to accompany you on your journey to that area, and then also link your Amazon book in the bio. So you can apply this if you're creating a travel guidebook by creating slides instead of a video on how to spend days in a specific area using images. Then to differentiate from others, you can maybe add your own voiceover, images, or quirky style to make it unique and memorable, including your book at the end of the slide or in the bio. Now, these are a few examples of creators that have gone viral. I didn't want to ruin anyone's KDP brand by showing it off to a lot of people. Also to mention, for those starting out on TikTok, you won't actually be able to put a link in the bio for your book until you've gained over 1,000 followers. So what you can do is actually mention the title of your book in the bio and that it's on Amazon, and you can also include the words on Amazon when showing images of your book in your TikTok videos. But it is possible for anyone to create the type of content made by these three creators. Again, none of them are showing their faces or using advanced editing. Use your own creative style and be persistent. Don't expect to just upload a few videos and go viral immediately. These creators have posted many videos, some of which go viral, leading to huge growth. However, many videos won't, but you do need to stay persistent and keep feeding the algorithm. One of the most important things when you are creating videos or slideshows is that you grab your viewers' attention with the hook, and without this you will struggle to go viral. So I have created a PDF file of 5 viral TikTok hooks in the description below, so make sure you check it out immediately, as it will be the perfect guide to start helping you go viral with your TikTok content.